Damn, my whole team dead. Damn. Damn. 47K? Okay, go. You were talked about my stream? What? Who talked about me? What? Tell me. Tell me the lore. W streamer AR at his buns. That part! That part. Ethics and convenience is always going to be an argument. I mean, yes. But I think that the major majority of people disagree with AI art. Because... yes, it saves time, but at the end of the day, it's huh?
Let me know when you're back.
I'm back. I'm back.
Okay, I'm waiting on the cloak ult.
I think the vast majority... I died. Vast majority of people will agree that AI art is bad. I mean, yes, it's controversial. Yes, it can save time and it can cut corners, but... you know, it is debatable, yes. But as a streamer, you should not be monetizing yourself from AI art, and that's pretty unanimous decision. There were people that will not support you based on the fact if you use AI art, and that's just a fact. Huh? No, I'm stunned, actually. Thank you.
Okay, now.
Okay, yes, yep, I'm so ready.
She can't be CC'd. She can't be. No, let's not. Let's wait.
Okay.
We're almost...
okay.
And Soul Bond's up. This is huge. We can wipe them right here.
Okay, ready? I'm ready.
Ready.
Yay! We did it! Deli stole one! What the heck, Deli? Deli's like, let me get in there. We finally did it! All that build up. Oh my god.
It
was all worth it.
Hi Literate, how are you? Isn't it like 4 AM over there in Merca? It is 2:30 AM for me. We have different time zones. Can prompt it by getting it